What if I told you that you could create just one video per week and turn it into 25 different pieces of content that drive traffic, position you as an expert, and book you more appointments than you know what to do with? Most content creators are stuck on this hamster wheel of constantly creating new content every single day. Instagram posts, TikToks, YouTube videos, blog articles, emails. It's exhausting, right? But what if there was a better way? What if the biggest names in business like Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, and Ali Abdaal had already cracked the code and I could show you their exact formula? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. This is called the Content Multiplier Formula. And by the end of this video, you'll have the complete step-by-step system to never run out of content again. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because I share marketing strategies like this every single week that can transform your business. Before we dive into the formula, let me quickly introduce myself and the framework this is built on. I'm part of the Wren team, where we teach real estate and service professionals how to build scalable, profitable businesses using smart systems and AI-powered tools. The Wren framework has 4 core pillars, and I want you to see this on screen right now. First, reach. This is about attracting the right people to your brand. Second, engage, converting that attention into actual conversations. Third, nurture, building trust and long-term loyalty with your audience. And fourth, grow, scaling your operations, referrals, and profits. Now, today's training falls specifically under the REACH pillar. This is where we help you get attention, expand your digital presence, and consistently drive leads to your calendar without having to create new content every single day. And that last part is key, without having to create new content every day. Because let's be honest, that's not sustainable for most of us. So here's exactly what you're going to learn in the next 20 minutes. You're going to discover how to create one high-converting, long-form video per week, just one, and turn it into 15 to 25 plus pieces of content. And this isn't just busy work. These pieces of content will, number one, drive traffic back to your YouTube channel, creating this beautiful flywheel effect. Number two, position you as the go-to expert in your field. And number three, generate free consultations, demo requests, and lead magnet downloads. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But here's the thing. This isn't some theoretical strategy I made up. This is modeled after the exact systems used by some of the biggest names in business. Let me show you who's already doing this successfully. Alex Hormozi, the guy behind 100 Mellers Offers, he creates YouTube content and then repurposes it into reels and short-form content that book strategy calls one piece of content, multiple touch points. Gary Vee has been preaching document, don't create for years. He takes one piece of long-form content and repurposes it across every single platform. Omni-platform repurposing at its finest. Ali Abdaal follows this exact sequence. YouTube video becomes a blog post, which becomes an email series, which promotes his products. It's a content multiplication machine. Vanessa Lau takes her long-form YouTube content and breaks it down into Instagram micro-content. Same message, different formats. And Grant Cardone, every single piece of content he creates points back to either a paid offer or a booked consultation. Do you see the pattern here? They're not creating 25 different ideas. They're taking one great idea and presenting it in 25 different ways. And that's exactly what the Content Multiplier Formula is going to teach you to do. All right, let's get into the meat of this. Step 1 is planning and scripting your long-form video. Now, the purpose of this video isn't just to educate, although that's important. The real purpose is to establish your authority and seed your call to action throughout the content. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, choose a core pain point or topic that your ideal audience actually cares about. Don't just pick something you want to talk about. Pick something they're actively searching for solutions to. Second, use this simple script structure that I'm about to show you. Start with a hook. You need to grab attention in the first 10 to 30 seconds. This is make or break time. If you don't hook them here, they're gone. Then move into your story or lesson. This is where you establish your expertise or teach something valuable. This builds trust and credibility. Next comes value delivery. Give them 2 to 3 actionable tips they can implement immediately. This is where you over-deliver on value. And finally, your call to action. Invite them to book a call or download something free. But here's the key. Don't just do this at the end. Seed it throughout the entire video. Now, for tools to help you with this, I recommend ChatGPT or Jasper for script writing, Trello or Notion for your content calendar, and Answer the Public for topic validation. And here are some CTA examples that work really well. Want help implementing this? Book a free strategy call below. Or download the exact template I use. Link is in the description. The key is making it feel natural and valuable, not pushy. Step 2 is recording your video, and this should be 7 to 20 minutes long. That's the sweet spot for long-form content that can be repurposed effectively. Here's what needs to be included in every single video. High energy and clear visuals. People can forgive a lot, but they won't forgive boring or hard to see. Mention your YouTube channel name. This helps with brand recognition when your content gets shared elsewhere. Include a strong call to action at the beginning, middle, and end. Remember, we're seeding this throughout, and always ask for a comment, like, and subscription. The algorithm loves engagement, so make it easy for people to engage. For your setup, you don't need to break the bank. An iPhone 13 or higher will work perfectly, or if you want to upgrade, any decent DSLR. For audio, and this is crucial, get either a Rode Wireless Go mic or a Shure MV7. Bad audio will kill your content faster than anything else. For lighting, a simple ring light or softbox will make you look professional. And for recording software, I recommend OBS Studio if you want free, or Riverside or Ecamm if you want something more user-friendly. Remember, people are going to judge your expertise partly based on your production quality, so invest in getting this right. Now we get to the magic. Step 3 is where you multiply your content. This is where one video becomes 15 to 25 plus pieces. Let me break down exactly what you're going to create from that one long-form video. First, 7 to 10 short-form videos that are 15 to 90 seconds each. You're going to use the moments of impact, the hooks, and the key teaching points from your long-form video. The tools I recommend for this are Opus Clip, which uses AI to automatically find the best clips, Descript for more manual editing, or CapCut if you want something free and mobile-friendly. Second, one blog post. You're going to transcribe your video and turn it into a polished article. ChatGPT can help you clean up the transcription and make it more readable, then you publish it on WordPress or whatever platform you use. Third, 3 to 5 emails. Create an email sequence that drives traffic back to your YouTube video. Each email can focus on a different aspect or tip from your video. ConvertKit and MailChimp are great for this. Fourth, carousel posts and quote cards. Take the key insights from your video and turn them into visual content for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Canva and Adobe Express make this super easy. Now, I want you to imagine this. You record one 15-minute video on Monday, and by Friday, you have 20 plus pieces of content scheduled across all your platforms, all driving traffic back to that original video and your main call to action. This is how you build a content empire without burning out. Step 4 is marketing your content using Ren 360, which is our comprehensive platform that ties everything together. Here's how Ren 360 amplifies your content multiplier formula. First, Ren email marketing. You can send out weekly emails through our system that's built for mass email campaigns. This drives consistent traffic back to your content. Second, Ren Social Sphere. Our AI assistant helps you craft content and automatically posts across all your channels. It takes your repurposed content and optimizes it for each platform. Third, Ren Paid Ads. Our AI will help you launch targeted paid ads around your database and lookalike audiences, amplifying your organic reach. And fourth, Ren Sales and Recruit AI Agent. This uses voice and text to reach out to people who are interacting with your content, turning engagement into actual conversations and bookings. The beauty of this system is that it takes your multiplied content and puts it to work 24/7, even when you're sleeping. Now, let me give you the exact weekly workflow that makes this all manageable. This is your step-by-step schedule. Monday, record your long-form video and outline your repurpose plan. This is your content creation day. Block out 2 to 3 hours and get it done. Tuesday, Clip your shorts and create your blog post. Use the tools I mentioned earlier to extract the best moments and transcribe your content. Wednesday, write your email sequence and create your carousel posts. This is your written content day. Thursday, publish your long-form video on YouTube and schedule all your other posts across platforms. This is your distribution day. Friday, share a recap of your week's content and repost your top-performing short-form clip. This is your amplification day. Follow this schedule, and you'll never run out of content. More importantly, you'll have a systematic approach that builds momentum week after week. Let me give you the complete toolkit for implementing this system. For planning and scripts, Notion or Trello for organization, ChatGPT or Jasper for writing assistance. For recording, OBS or Ecamm for software, DSLR or iPhone for camera, Shure MV7 or Rode mic for audio. For editing and repurposing, Descript for video editing, Opus Clip or CapCut for short-form clips, Canva for graphics. But here's what most people miss: tracking your results. You need to measure YouTube analytics, watch time, click-through rates, and traffic sources. This tells you what content resonates. Click-through tracking. Use UTM links, Bitly, and Google Analytics to see which pieces of content drive the most traffic. Conversion rates. Track how many calendar bookings or lead magnet downloads come from your video traffic, because at the end of the day, content without conversions is just expensive entertainment. Now here's how to scale this system without burning yourself out. You need to focus on high-value activities and delegate the rest. What you should do: record the long-form video. This is your unique voice and expertise. Don't delegate this. Check metrics weekly. You need to understand what's working so you can double down on it. Send content to your editor or clipper. Manage the process, but don't do all the work yourself. What AI or virtual assistants can do: repurpose content into blogs and emails. This is systematic work that can be templated. Create quote cards and carousels. Once you have templates, this becomes plug and play. Schedule content across platforms. No reason for you to be manually posting everything. The goal is to free up your time for revenue-generating activities while maintaining consistent content output. All right, so you've got the complete content multiplier formula. Now, how do you actually implement this? Start simple. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one video topic that addresses a major pain point for your audience. Record that video this week. Follow the script structure I gave you. Include your call to action throughout. Then create just 3 to 5 pieces of repurposed content to start. Don't overwhelm yourself with 25 pieces right away. Track your results. See which pieces of content drive the most engagement and traffic back to your main video. Then, systematically add more pieces to your multiplication process each week. Now, if you want help implementing this system, I've got 2 things for you. First, if you want a free strategy call where we can map out your specific content multiplier formula, there's a link in the description below. We'll look at your business, your audience, and create a custom plan for you. Second, I've created a free content calendar template that shows you exactly how to plan and organize your multiplied content. That's also linked in the description. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I share marketing strategies like this every week that can transform your business. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's the biggest challenge you face with content creation? I read every comment and often turn them into future video topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into advanced content strategies.